Hello, family. You know what time it is. It is Townhouse Tuesday.
Yay!
And it's going to seem like I'm transporting you to a city in the Northeast. To those of you who are new to the channel, I am Sir Ashley. I am a real estate agent and a real estate investor in North and South Carolina. And on this channel, we talk about money, real estate in the Carolinas. And on Tuesdays, we tour townhouses. So come with me and let's look at this townhome by Mattamy Homes. It is the Soho floor plan and it's located in North Charlotte at Aria at the Park. Now, if you want more property tours of homes in North Carolina and South Carolina, please check out my other channel. It's titled Living in the Carolinas by Sir Ashley. On there, I will give you more property tours and a little raw behind the scenes footage that I don't produce on this channel. Enough of me talking. Let's go inside and look at this townhome. This is the Soho floor plan by Mattamy Homes at Aria at the Park. This is a 3-bedroom, 3 full bath, 1 half bath townhome, and it comes in just over 2,300 square feet. Now we're going through the front door, which your guests would use. You have this landing. That's your main living area. We will come back to that in a second. But if you come in from the garage, this is what you will see. Garage is right ahead of you. Then you have this full bath down here, along with a bedroom, which you could use as an office. Everybody always wants to know the size of the closet. You have a little drop zone and a patio area on this first level. This townhome is 3 levels. What sets this townhome apart is the outdoor space on this main level. It almost makes you feel like you're not in Charlotte and that you are in a more major city. Tons of cabinet space, a huge island. Let's go check out the outdoor living at the front of the property. This is just perfect for entertaining. Indoor-outdoor flow for this Soho townhome is just perfect. That island is larger than most islands in single-family detached homes. Same thing with this pantry. You have a half bath on this level. One more look at the kitchen and just the downstairs living area before we head upstairs. At the top of the stairs, you do have your laundry room. The shared bathroom by the secondary bedrooms. Pay attention to the detail for the tile on the floor and in the shower. Now, a lot of times you see builders right now just using shower inserts. They took the time, did the tile work, and it came out looking very good. We just left bedroom number 2. Heading into bedroom number 3. Now, pricing for this townhome is in the low to mid 5s. And it's located just in North Charlotte. Let's go check out the owner's suite. You have the tray ceiling, nice size room, and you do have 2 closets. Now this would be the owner's walk-in closet, and I'm not sure if you have guests over or whatnot, but this could be the closet for your guest or for your shoes. I appreciate you rocking with me for this Townhouse Tuesday. This townhouse is absolutely beautiful, and it makes you feel as if you're in a larger city. It gives me New York vibes, hence the Soho name. If you're interested in this townhome or any other new construction or resale home in the North or South Carolina regions, please reach out to my team and I. I am Sir Ashley, and I'll talk to you soon.